Jokes on cue, each new dish, a dream come true. Fans united, out of blue. Join the feast, it's JoJo's crew. Live stream blazing, can't resist. It's a gift, you don't want this. Cooking magic, and a twist. JoJo's world, come coexist. She's the queen of all cuisines. Taking trips, daily scenes. Endless fun, her energy beams. Life's so bright, live your dreams. From the kitchen to the cam, laughter spreads just like a jam. Every day she shares
هذه امرأة كسرت قوانين الحرم محاولة أن تكون
from
حسين
the frying
الحجاب.
pan. Every day live stream much aglow, with a smile that steals the show. From Uganda overflow, bringing heat we all know. Mixing spices, jokes on cue. Each new dish, a dream come true. Fans united, out of blue. Bringing heat, we all know. Mixing spices, jokes on cue. Each new dish, a dream come true. Fans united, out of blue. Join the feast, it's JoJo's crew. Live stream blazing, can't resist. Heat's a gift, you won't want missed. Cooking magic and a twist. JoJo's world, come coexist.
Breaking news, JoJo on the screen. Interrupting your day like a wild dream. GG Benny Blanco 7-8, making heads spin. Puerto Rican puppy with that flavor, say Rico de Puerto Rico. Uganda sis got the beats on blast. From the streets of Kampala real fast. Dripping with that rhythm, never miss. Worldwide sound can't resist. JoJo. Everybody moving to the groove. Hearts on fire, we got nothing to lose. From the Caribbean to Uganda now. DJ Benny Blanco 7-8, dímelo mi gente, we all take a bow. Ooh. Turn it up DJ, let's rock the block. City lights shining non-stop. Savvy with the mix, he's on the rise. Moving through the night, no surprise. Center up your evening with a dance. Leave your worries in a trance. You shall still we're feeling grand. You gotta see JoJo, what news reports the break.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm just here with my friend, my Kenyan friend. Yeah, I traveled from my house to her house here. Yeah, for evening, for dinner. Yeah, we came for dinner, no? We came for dinner. She's right there.
Hi guys.
Yeah, that is a Ruto family. Hope you're doing great, guys. Yeah, this is Josephine. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you're a returning subscriber, you're really appreciated. And the newcomers, the new subscribers, you're really welcome. Please, oh God, please turn on the notification bell so that you don't forget, don't miss whenever I upload. Yeah. So we are having here the food. Which food are we going to eat now? I'm only eating salad. See, I'm only eating this one with Pepsi. This is the dinner she gave me. Imagine you come to visit someone and then she give you this food. This is not.
She's just lying. She's just a lie. I can't. I'm not that. So I have a good heart. Huh?
Where is the food now? Where is the food? I can't see the food.
It's your choice to choose whether you like this one. And we have more here. Your wish.
See, the rice is for yesterday. No. Now how can you give your visitor?
There's another hot tea here. If you want, you can serve yourself.
Oh God! Now you're defending yourself.
No, I'm not
You're...
defending myself. That's the reality.
Oh, guys, actually we have food. We have here. See this food. We have biryani. We have biryani rice. Yeah. I was joking. She gives me food now.
We all take a bow. Reporting the news, JoJo's world news.
I'm just a very generous person.
Yeah, I know. Don't try to prove yourself. Yeah, so that
People, they can just comment.
This is the rice. This is biryani, meat biryani. But I'm not eating biryani today. I'm going to eat. Yeah, I'm on diet. Yeah, I'm going to eat only this one. Sorry, the Pepsi. So wash the things and finish, please. Clean. Finish cleaning. Yeah. So we are just here enjoying the day. We are just enjoying the day.
We are tired, by the way. Because we want money, we have to work hard.
Yeah. That
When
is
you don't
down.
work hard, you don't have to get money, you don't have to eat. So,
No money, no eating.
so let us do what we come. We come all.
What brought you here? Do what brought you here?
Yeah.
Oh.
I
That.
love my work so much. This work, it's giving me more salary. I have food for my family. Huh? I have my home. I have car. And I'm planning to buy.
Don't brag yourself so much.
No, when you dream for something, it can happen. That's what I.
Are you dreaming or you see? Are you dreaming?
No, that's my New Year resolution. You know, some dreams can come true.
Yeah, they can come true, but you were not dreaming. It was not a dream. You were saying that you have.
Yeah.
It is already in the gate.
Yeah, I believe I will have. I believe. If you don't, even why do we pray? We pray so that we be given. So for now, I'm praying this work can make.
Kenyans will never be defeated, guys.
Even our president
They will never be defeated.
we can't agree on that. That's the worst thing. We don't know what's to be defeated. The meaning of being defeated.
I
Just
understand.
making the video there and you're not coming. Just watching.
Yes, I watch you as you work.
By the way, I'm very hardworking woman, and I'm single.
Was it necessary? Was some single necessary?
Yeah, I'm not married. What should I marry? Anybody is interested, you can just holler at me.
Okay.
Yeah.
They have had you. The receipts are taken.
You can apply it anytime, anywhere.
Alright.
And you are with
Finish. You will finish me. You will finish me.
Oh my God. You're just taking the video, just looking at me like that. And you're
Thank you guys for watching. This girl is making me crazy. Thank you for watching.
My friend, and I love her so much. We meet here. She's from another side of my son. We meet first. We meet here and we become sisters. She's one in.
So guys, thank you for watching until this far.
We love you guys.
Yes.
And nice to be with you and keep on touch with us. Mwah. Bye guys.
Bye bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below what do you think about this video. How are you how do you behave with your workmates there? Huh? When you meet your workmate, how do you behave? Let me know down there in the comment section. See you. Bye bye. Love you. Ciao ciao.
Puerto Rican poppy with that flavor, Puerto Rico de Puerto Rico. Uganda sis got the beats on blast. From the streets of Kampala real fast. Dripping with that rhythm, never miss. Worldwide sound can't resist. JoJo. Everybody